Hi, this is Chris Houghton, the technical advisor to the Black Stars. As part of the build-up, I would like to urge Ghanaians to remain calm and positive about the team, because we strongly believe we have the quality, desire and hunger to achieve the results that we want. It is our aim to qualify for the Qatar World Cup, and we all have a duty to make that dream a reality. Ghana have done it before, and we can guarantee you that everybody associated with the Black Stars wants this opportunity again to perform on a world stage. This moment presents an opportunity to write history, and we are all committed to it, from the players, the technical staff, the Ghana Football Association and the government. We value your support. We are Ghana and we are ready.
Hello everyone, my name is George Boateng and I'm the assistant coach of the Black Stars. It is an honor, a great privilege to be part of the technical team for the upcoming matches against Nigeria. Ghana is well placed to qualify for the World Cup in Qatar, and as a team, we are putting in place a very solid plan to come out victorious. We respect Nigeria because they have good players. However, we also have some top quality players who are well capable of competing against Nigeria. Internally, we are much looking forward to add to our last 3 World Cup appearances, and we know that it is time. In departure, I would like to ask all Ghanaians to put their weight behind the team in this crucial moment in our utmost quest to make history. We are Ghana, we are the Black Stars, and we are capable.
Didi Dramani is my name, assistant coach of the Black Stars. We are at a very crucial stage in the World Cup qualifiers, and this is the time for us to show love and undiluted support to the Black Stars. We are heading to the battlefield against an old foe and a familiar opponent in Nigeria, and just as we have witnessed over the years, these matches are always close and cagey. But we believe that the players and the entire nation is ready. It doesn't matter the opposition or where the games take place. What matters is the readiness of the team. With pride and passion, I strongly believe that we are more than capable to win this battle. It is going to be 180 minutes or more of frantic and uncompromising action between 2 great football nations in Africa. But I believe that the stars will shine and Ghana will conquer. God bless our homeland, Ghana.